Coderabbit is an AI-powered code review assistant designed to integrate directly with GitHub and GitLab, providing automated pull request PR analysis, summaries, and suggestions. It's aimed at developers who want a second pair of eyes without slowing down the development cycle. The tool generates PR summaries, offers line-by-line feedback, suggests fixes, and even provides diagrams or release notes to help teams quickly understand large changes. You can also interact with it via an integrated chat, asking for explanations, additional tests, or code improvements, all in the context of the current PR. One of Coderabbit's biggest strengths in 2025 is its tight integration and ease of use. Setup is simple, and once connected to your repository, it continuously reviews commits, flags potential issues, and offers actionable advice. It also supports custom linting and static analysis tools like Flake 8, PHPCS, HTMLint, and Checkmate, and it can adapt to your coding style via configuration files. Security-conscious teams will appreciate its SOC 2 Type Raman 2 certification, encryption, GDPR compliance, and optional opt-out from data storage. Pricing is flexible. There's a free tier for unlimited public and private repos with PR summarization, plus a 14-day pro trial. Paid tiers start around $12 $15/month per user for full review capabilities, with Pro and Enterprise plans offering advanced analytics, linear integration, and even self-hosting options. This makes it attractive to both solo developers and larger teams. User feedback is largely positive. Developers say it saves time, reduces reviewer fatigue, and is particularly valuable for solo devs who lack a team for peer review. The AI can catch missed bugs, suggest better patterns, and speed up code comprehension for large PRS. However, some users find the tool overly verbose, with too many low-priority comments cluttering discussions. Others note occasional inaccuracies in suggestions, especially on large PRS, and a tendency to slow down when processing huge diffs. Bottom line, in 2025, Coderabbit is worth it if you want to speed up code reviews, improve consistency, and save time, especially for small teams or solo developers. It's not perfect, and you'll still need human oversight, but as a PR first-pass reviewer, it can significantly boost productivity and code quality.